We are going on the boat. This is the boat. Okay, I'm going. So this is the boat. And this is the view. It's so high up that I can literally touch the water. It's really close to my hand. Passengers are coming. One person is per 10 taka. The view is nice. We're going all the way there. So the boat is gonna start. Look how close it is. The view. It's really good. Look, it's so close to me. I like it. Look at that flower. That purple flower. Look. They turns it like this. And then the boat is started. When the trees touch my hand, it's kind of scary. But it's fun too. The view looks so nice. That's the place we're going, I think. Going on boats. It's really fun. We're almost there. I think we're going there. There's a big boat. Noisy, but it's so good. I mean, the view that you can look at. A bit of shaking. It'll shake because we're gonna hit there, and we hit it. Done. And we're here. So this is the part of the boat. We're getting down.
It's our boat ride. Bye.
That's